Every year things change just a little bit in the world of technology, and this year is no different. One of the changes that we all have to cope with this year is the fact that Google has changed its ways such that Jan can no longer automatically import our class schedules into our Google Calendar. It's actually not that big a deal. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to take you through the process of importing your class schedule into your Google Calendar. So I have received in my inbox here an email from Jan with the very subtle title of Your Schedule. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to get an image here that just shows the first event in the schedule. I want to know more than just that first event, so I'm going to download the file she sent me. I'm just going to click on download. I'm going to save the file. It will automatically save it to my downloads folder. In order to actually bring this into my calendar, I then need to go to my calendar. So I'm going to go up to my Google Apps, click on that, and open my calendar. From here, I'm going to use the drop down beside the word My Calendars, and I'm going to go to Settings. Lowish on my screen is the Import Calendar option. So I'm going to click on that. Now I've got the Import Calendar dialog box. From here, I'm going to click Browse, and I'm going to go to my Downloads, which is already selected, and I'm going to choose a .ics file. It's the calendar information file, and that's the file I need to import. Click Open. Make sure that the calendar you are importing this into is your personal calendar. This is really important. It may be tempting to create a sub-calendar that just has your classes in it, but what that means in terms of school organization is that if people try to book a meeting with you, they don't know when your classes are, which means that they may well be trying to access you when you're not available. It will make it a lot easier for everyone if we all just put our class schedules into our personal calendars. I'm going to click Import. And there it is. 179 events have been brought into my calendar. You may well have many more events depending on how many classes you teach. So I'm going to click Close. I'm going to go back to my calendar. And I just happen to have pulled up the week of September 20th to 26th. You can see I've got my classes here. You can also see that the class times reflect the first modified day for the upper school of the new school year. So that is what you need to be able to do in order to import your schedule as sent to you by Jan into your Google Calendar. Keep an eye on your email. I'll be setting up some sessions where I will walk groups of people through this process. If you would like help with this and with any other technology related task, please don't hesitate to let me know. As always, make sure you have a great day.